Yes, USN number 70. USN number 70. Reply fast. Yes, sir. Answer this solution. Share your screen. Option is there. You can share. Show the answer. You didn't got. I'll stop presenting now. Now you will get. Check. Now it is there, I think. Present screen. Coding is not required. I am asking only the logic that how it is performing. I don't want the coding part. Take a strings. Not capable of doing it. Why? What is the problem? Slowly I explained. No. USN 81. USN number 81. All are sleeping, I think. '81. Not there. Mark absent. Best. Better I'll mark absent for those students who won't reply. Give almost 20 minutes of time. Even though people are not able to do it. Means what? What you are thinking, I don't know. Okay, Brenda, you try doing it. Randomly, I'll call another numbers. Wait. 66, Karthik. 66, Karthik. Yeah. Share your screen, no? Whatever that you have done. Take a photograph and share. Or enable the camera and show it. I'll see. That is also sufficient. Karthik. Karthik MR, I think. Yes. Enable your camera and show it. No problem. Whatever that you have solved. Please, Karthik, make it fast. A book ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಸಾಕು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು okay. So what is the final resultant there? It is not there, I think. Focus the book to the camera. You are using mobile, no? Turn the camera to back. Back camera turn ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನ. Mobile or laptop? Yeah, that's fine. Done. Written the code and only ಬರೀ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್
ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ
ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಓಕೆ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ರೈಡ್ Okay, internals I will give good marks for you, don't worry. Lab internal ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿನಗೆ, ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇನೆ. USN ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ?
66.
066.
6.
Okay, fine. Disable ಮಾಡಿ. Then 77. USN 77. Yes, show your answer. What you have solved there? I have given one input, right? My Misha, don't share the WhatsApp screen. I want the answer screen. Okay. So if you cannot, you can turn on the camera and you can port it to the back camera. It will show there. Yeah, that's good. Have you solved it? Okay. Step by step procedure. Okay, fine. Aditya Raj. Aditya Raj, I'm asking. Yes, Aditya. Have you done it? Yes. Can you show? It's not visible, Aditya. Now you are presenting. Yes. Yeah, come. Okay, fine, Aditya. Yes, thank you for good response. What about the remaining students? I don't know. Let me check it out randomly. I will give it a task from next lab onwards. So now one request is there for all the students. Download the Turbo C++ from the online, because the different students will be having different operating systems. You cannot share the different links there. So majority, how many of you have Windows 10? So they can download a DOS box. You can note it down there. Note it down. Windows 10 based on the operating system 32-bit or 64-bit Turbo C++. It's available free of online only. Download, install it in a C drive, local disk C, where the operating system is installed. In that program files only have to install that. Then you can run the program. Once it is installed, next lab I will teach the procedure, or I will share the procedure how to run the programs in the Turbo C. Linux, I think majority of people have learned in the laboratory, in our own C programming laboratory. For this data structures also, you can do it in Linux. Those who have a Linux platform already, a virtual machine if you are having, you can do it on that MSDS Turbo C++, not MSDS, only Turbo C++. Turbo C++ for Windows 10 or 7, with whatever the operating system that you have, that concerned operating system you have to download. Okay, Turbo C++. Code blocks, there is giving a short error that path setting and all, you people cannot do it. Once you come back to the college, at that time we will do it in code blocks. There is no much of difference between this Turbo C++ and code blocks. Both are command oriented structures only. If you can download and you can set the path, you can do it Maithili, or else go with the C++, Turbo C++ only. That will be easy for you as of now, because that path setting and all, I could not explain for all the students. Parallelly at a time you cannot store there. Some one or the other mistake you will do. This is the easiest software, you can do it. Or in the Linux GCC compiler, you can do it. Okay, fine. So any other clarification? Visual Studio you cannot pass. Code blocks or Turbo C++ only you have to use. Maximum Turbo C++ only. For Mac also it is there. That's why I'm told no. Based on the operating system, you have to search it in a Google. It is available. For Mac virtual machine, you have to load it. I think it is there with Srini sir. I tell him to share for the Mac machines. So those are having a Mac machines, no problem. We have already the software since we are using that. So those are having Windows 10 platform, you have to download it. Okay. So the downloads that software, I can share the link. Mac already have GNU plus plus with Clang. If it is there, you can run on that GNU also. That's also fine. So we are putting additional the softwares there to run. Some of the programs will not work there. So some errors are there that has to be rectified. Okay, Aryan, if you are having that GNU plus plus also, you can run it. C11 you have. Okay, no problem. You can run on it. Any other doubts is there you can ask in this programs? Is it cleared for all of you? For Android mobiles and all, we don't have softwares, Mr. Kamal Nayan. Mobiles compilations cannot be done. It should be online compilers. It will take lot of time in the mobiles. So if you have laptop, you try with the code. Online compiler will take lot of time to compile your code. Since the no problem. Once you come back to the college, you can run the programs. use Termux on Android. Termux will not work for the complete programs, Aryan. There are a lot of issues with some of the softwares. Don't install all unwanted pirated softwares and all. So try to be safe. Yeah, even it's on Google Play Store. So many applications are having a lot of viruses and threats. Okay, so be careful while my suggestion: be careful while downloading any of the softwares or any of the applications. So it should not steal your data later. So that one issue is there. Okay, Turbo C++ it does not contain anything. You can download and you can run it on free open source software. Linux, if you are running, you can use GCC or CC compilers. So Mac OS, as if it is inbuilt, it is there. You can use GNU, or else you can install the additional softwares which is required. I'll share with the link. Any other clarification is there? If it's cleared, we will wind up with today's class. Thank you. Can leave. Have a nice day.